Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not responding on Discord app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of not responding on Discord app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can click on Discord. Here we'll enter to first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. Sorry. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. If you will find your updating this plus sign, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.